Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can watch multiple channels on your Fubo TV. So if you want to watch two channels at once, there is no built-in option available, but on your browser what you can do is you can open another tab and play one of the channel right here on this first tab, and if you have a second tab you can just simply make it smaller and play any second channel on the second tab. So this way you can watch two channels. So for example, if you want to follow two games on your Fubo TV, you can this way you can watch two of the channels simultaneously at once. So this is how you can watch two channels at once on your Fubo TV, or even more if you want, like 3, 4, how many that you want on different tabs. So I hope this was helpful. Thanks so much for watching.